Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be showing you how I do my juicing. So these are the fruits and vegetables that I'm going to juice today. Let me know in the comments below if you juicing and what fruits do you use. So let's get started. So what I will do is mix the different juices together. So this will give me several bottles with different flavors of juices to last me for at least 5 days. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.